It was the year 1939, and a Jewish family in Germany was taken away. The parents were taken separately, and the children were taken separately. And there was this girl of 13 years of age and her brother who was 8 years old. The parents were taken to a labor camp and the children were separated. They came from a wealthy family, and all of a sudden, this happens. And now they were at the railway platform in this cold month. Kids, they didn't know what's happening and they started playing. And then the train came and all of them were pushed inside. And when the train started moving, this boy told her that he forgot his shoes. They were separated from their family and they didn't know what's going to happen to them. And this boy, he forgot his shoes in this cold month. She got angry. She got angry and pulled his ear and twisted it. And she scolded him a lot. And when the next station came, both of them were separated. This was the last time they saw each other. 4 years later, she came out of the concentration camp, the only survivor of her family. And the only thing she could remember were the last thing she told to that boy. She felt as if she could have said something nice to him. And when she came out of the concentration camp, she made up her mind. It doesn't matter whom I speak to. When I speak to somebody, if it happens to be the last time I speak to them, I should not regret. And this decision changed her life. Sometimes in life, there are situations where you feel like you did a bit too much, or you feel like you shouldn't have said that. We have all been in that situation, and there's nothing that we can do to change them. But it's our choice whether we want to keep repeating the mistakes or learn from them. We have all been in that situation where you're angry with someone and you're going to start having a fight with them. If you can't be positive in that situation, then at least be silent. Because sometimes taking a step back can prevent many problems. And if you're in that situation where you just had a fight with someone, I think the best thing you can do is just say sorry. I know it's a bit tough to take up the courage and go talk to them, but it's life. Saying sorry doesn't mean that you're wrong. Saying sorry means that you value the person, that you value the relationship with the person more than being right. Sometimes saying sorry can solve many problems, and being silent can prevent many problems in the first place.